It's your girl Tranquility Beauties. What's good? What's going on? So I wanted to hop on here because your girl has some news for you guys. I'm so freaking excited. So as y'all know, your girl does basically makeup tutorials. I love giving y'all a makeup look. That is hands down my profession, my area of expertise. Besides skincare, as y'all can see, your girl's skin is glowing. I am, if y'all do not know, your girl is a licensed master cosmetologist and a licensed esthetician, a correction officer. I have so many, a business owner, entrepreneur, now college student. So my life has become very hectic and very busy, especially since my mom has passed away. I'm doing now a series of figuring out my life while grieving, and I wanted to take you guys along the journey with me. And as y'all know, I already film with my Canon Rebel T7 Ti. This is where I film all my makeup tutorials on. Baby, I love her down. She's been good to me over the years. Like, I would recommend this to anybody who is wanting a nice, beautiful, heavy-duty camera for makeup tutorials and pictures. Like, yes, but your girl, she is heavy. And I've tried filming content with her, lifestyle content with me, taking her out and about, and she is very heavy, very noticeable, and people stare a lot with her. So, and I'm just like, can y'all mind y'all business a little bit, please? Cause I'm trying to start my life. But anyway, so your girl ordered the Sony Zv F1 camera. So we are about to do a unboxing. As y'all can see, I am very high because my Canon is becoming a big sis. Like, make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all stay tuned because, baby, I'm obsessed. And I was like, I was going to do my makeup, and I was just like, y'all really care about me having my makeup on, or are y'all just here for the content of the camera unboxing? Y'all are here for the unboxing. So yeah, and I got my invoice right here. It's supposed to be in black. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Okay, look, y'all get first piece. Yes, girl. Okay. Breathe. I'm so sick. Okay, y'all. Okay. Ready. Oh my gosh. Y'all see her? Oh my Lord. Do y'all want the pleasures of opening her up? Oh my goodness. What color did I get it? I think I got this in black. Oh my God. I'm like trying not to be rough with the box. Cause baby, wait, I just got you today. Oh my God. Oh baby. Oh, and I did get a double 2-year warranty with this baby. On top of the other warranty I got on my camera. Okay, so we got information slips that we know. Oh, and the warranty, I got that. I was about to say, knowing my butt's not gonna read it. Directions, not gonna read. Okay, are y'all ready? Okay, are y'all ready? Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay, so what do we see in the box? We got our nice little power cord right here. USB. And I want to say, oh, the mic is in here. Okay, wait. Because I was going to order a mic. I have ordered some stuff already. Ooh, let me just go ahead. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, I'm happy I didn't order the mic like I planned on. because that is super cute. Okay, what else do we got? I gotta move my baby. I'm gonna sit my baby down right here next to her sis, next to big sis. Okay, this sis is gonna tell you how I get down. Oh, and this is the battery. Okay, good. I just ordered some more batteries today, so they should get here on Monday. But yeah, because I've already heard this camera is horrible, crappy for its battery life. So, because I've already heard that, I've just already ordered, and I was going to order before, as at the same time that I got the camera, but I was just like, let's start slow. Let's grab a little bit of stuff here and there. So, oh my goodness, and she's so beautiful. Oh my god. I definitely wanted her to be like my Canon. She pops over here, pop, pop. Instead of like being right here, I was tied between the Canon and the Canon Mark II. Oh my gosh. Let me put your baby. Let me put the battery. Where did I just put the battery at? Oh my goodness. I'm already losing stuff. I lose stuff so quick. Oh. Let me remove my lens. I was about to buy a lens protector. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Like, do y'all see all this? Like, what? I'm in my settings right now. I'll figure out everything later. Oh my goodness. Ah! And it's like, no SD card, but baby, we see you. I love this. I love this. I'm so happy with this. Like, look at her. Hey, butterflies, it's your girl Tranquility Beauties. What's good? What's going on? Like, y'all see, I'm talking to y'all on my camera. Right now, I'm talking to y'all on my phone. But, like, what? All right, let's put the mic on. I feel very YouTube. Very YouTubey. Back to me being back on my YouTube grind. Oh my goodness. What? And okay. Let me show y'all the first accessory I got, which is a case for my baby. I don't even have a case for that one, but I bought a case for this one, for this to be, because I plan on taking this camera out with me everywhere I go. So like, needed it. And it came with a screen protector. Thank you. I got this off of Amazon. It retailed for $23. Yeah, it came with two. Yay! I get to save one. There we go. So like, here she came out. I don't know, I kind of just got that. But next item I did get for my baby is going to be, what do y'all, oh, tripod. Until I order my other tripod, I'm going to be using my baby tripod that I also use for my baby girl right here. So yeah, we're going to be using what we have for now because I've spent money, my man has spent money, and we are tapped. Let me show you guys the SD card I got. I got a 512 gigabyte SD card for this camera because I know how much storage I go through with my Canon, and I can just imagine how much I'm going to be going through with this one. A lot of people say to get what is it, 200 and something gigabytes. I'm just not doing that because I know me, and I know like I'm gonna like do weeks and be like, oh yeah, let me add 2 weeks together in a YouTube video for y'all and spend a day and two days editing. So yeah, and this is super fast with transferring over to my Mac Air. So we should be in high gear with this. So it goes in right here. 9 minutes. That's not enough. I'm gonna need more. I'm gonna need more space. This is gonna end up bothering me, and I'm gonna want to end up, can this come off? Yes, it can. Perfect. Because that is going to end up bothering me, and I'd rather just keep her on right here. So I already know me. This is cute by itself. Next up is the tripod. I got this tripod off of TikTok Shop. Let me make sure. Got this tripod off of TikTok Shop, and it came with 2 ring lights. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ooh, it came, and it has like little 2 mirrors right here too. So yeah, this is my first time actually going through all this, guys. Like, I have not seen any of this because I refused until I got the camera to open it. And so 2 little ring lights, and I got this because until I get the not movable, but the flash to go on here too, because the difference between, I feel like the only difference between the Sony Zv F1 and the Canon Mark II and Mark I is the flash. This has a flash, that's it. This and the battery life is completely different. So I still got this, saved some coins. All right, now let's go in with this tripod. This tripod I got off of TikTok Shop. Like I said, this is a 360. It moves with you, it tracks you. So while I'm moving around my house, baby, this tripod will be moving around with me, and y'all will be able to see everything that I do, and I'm happy about that. So yeah. Oh yeah, here. All right, and then shit, I'm already dropping stuff. And then the other one goes, ooh, the other one goes right below. Okay, good. And this is how it looks whenever you're right here and everything. So I can have y'all right here. Let me see how this is gonna look. Ooh, I'm gonna need to make a hole out though, because I saw this and I was like, ooh, this is super cute. I wanted it, but if not, I'm about to get my money back. I'm about to get my money back. But this is so cute. So tea. She's so tea. And that's everything that I've gotten for this camera so far. She is so tea. So I'm super excited because like I also have this one right here, and she can be able to fit on my tripods. I love it because now I can vlog and this won't be killing my arms anymore. All right, bye butterflies. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for post notifications because your girl will be uploading. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love you butterflies. Bye.